Okay, so there was like this one time where my mum's friend had an iPhone 12 mini, but then the battery aged like fine lithium, so she stopped using it. Fast forward a bit, and now I'm here fixing an iPhone for the first time. Things started off very I didn't have the right opening tool, and I thought I could use the cheap stuff that's packaged in with a battery. I couldn't. You're not my dad, you can't make me do that. You're not my dad, you can't make me use that. So like, that's meant to like, lift off and I'm meant to be able to get like, this in there. And it's like, yeah, this is fun. Turns out, buying the suggested opening tool fixed this issue. Oh goody, it's still on, but at least it's not broken. But I was soon met with the oddities of iPhone repair. Where's the other one? There, and I need to undo. Are those the same size? No, why would they be? Most of the screws are different lengths and types, so that's fun. I was up against the battery pull tabs for the first time. Were they kind to me? I feel like it wasn't supposed to snap that quickly. No, they weren't, but I managed to get the battery out just fine. That should just come up, but it's like, it's not going. Oh, it did. It was time to put in the new battery, but I decided to be smart and transplant the battery cell into the old BMS, so the phone still reports the battery health. It does also mean this iPhone is having a similar treatment to this iPod. Here you can see me soldering the new battery to the old board. It's fitting nicely. And by nicely, I mean no. Okay, so it's not fitting, so like, I just kinda have to make it fit. Okay, that's better. And then we all lived happily ever after, except we didn't. The phone was back on my desk because it was showing no signs of life. I thought it was the battery connector bracket that wasn't on right, so I reinstalled that, and then we lived happily ever after. But we still didn't, because I was wrong. The issue was with how I soldered the battery cell to the BMS. I tried to resolder it, but broke the battery terminals. I ended up buying another battery, and it went in just fine. Oh, and I totally didn't accidentally break the earpiece speaker, so there's no more Face ID. The end, thanks for watching.